Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Professor Hull and this is week 5 of first year seminars. So this week we are going to be talking about reading and study skills. I have some lectures for you that are a little bit longer, but they really go through very clearly strategies for reading for college, which is a lot different than reading for high school. At least it was for me. In high school, I didn't really read that many things as much. We read a lot in class together, so there wasn't as much except for a few classes. There wasn't as much reading at home. College is quite a bit different, and I think that that's one of the things that frustrates people when they come to college. They don't necessarily have the study skills that they need. Similarly, if you've been out of school for a long time, maybe you do read for fun, but reading for fun and reading textbooks is a lot different, right? So make sure that you get those lectures, and then our featured resource of the week is the library. I have a walkthrough as well about how to utilize library databases. So if you have a class where you have to have what's called scholarly research or peer-reviewed articles, I'll show you where to go to find those. And we'll talk a little bit about some of the other resources that the library has available. So that's it. I look forward to your comments in the discussion forums. Thanks.